In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the door. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to pop open the trim piece. Behind it, we'll have a Phillips head. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the screw. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop the trim piece off of the handle. There's a little slot in the bottom right here. Get a flat blade screwdriver, pop it inside of there. Slowly work your way around, popping off the cover. Remove the cover. There's two Phillips head screws behind there, one on top. And one more right here. Remove both screws. Pull the mirror trim piece off. Grab on the side, pull straight off, remove the trim piece. We're going to remove the plastic clip, push in to unlock it. I pulled slightly out right here, and the clip popped straight out. We're going to use a special tool to get up behind our door handle and pop our clip out. On the back of our handle is going to be this little clip. We have to push this up and out. If you don't have one of these, you could use a rag and get up behind. Be sure that you slide your rag or tool in front of this clear washer. Remove the clear washer. Go around the door panel, removing all of the clips on the perimeter. You can use a trim tool and get behind the panel and pop them out. I like to grab a chunk of the door on the back, find a place where you can grab on your hand, and then we're going to pull straight out in slight jerking motion, popping all of the clips off. We're going to lift up and remove the door panel. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to push on the tab right here. As we do that, we'll pull out and pull the door handle out. In the front, there's going to be two claws. We'll pull out in the back, pull straight back, remove the door handle. Flip it over to the back side, pop the two cables out of the bracket, and pull the cables out of the door handle. Install the cables into the door handle. Click it into the bracket. Install the top cable, hook it into the bracket, clip the plastic into the bracket. We're going to install the two front claws, slide them into place, hinge the handle back, snap it into the door, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the door panel. We're going to drop it onto this top sill. Go around the door and install all of the clips. Make sure your clear washer is in place. Before reinstalling the window crank handle, be sure you install the clip. This is the correct way to have the clip indexed. You want the two fingers pointing down towards the handle. Push the handle straight on. The clip will open up and grab onto the stock. Check the operation of the window. Install the Phillips head screws. Install the trim cover. Snap it into place. Install the Phillips head screw. Close the trim door. Lock it into place. Install the trim cover. Line it up, snap it into place. We're going to install the clip in the top right of the door. Before we do this, you want to pull it back out so it's in the unlocked position. Install the clip into the door, push it down, lock it into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.